Hello kids, love you. Let's draw a ladybug. First draw a T, then a D. Now join. Some circles, tentacles. Let's draw the outline. Wings, tentacles, dots, eyes. Wow! Let's color. This is sparkling gel pen. So shiny red color. Looks very beautiful. Wow! Will you enjoy? So sweet. Let's color the head. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.